A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the Australian share market is expected to fall this morning. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open the day 74 points lower or 1% lower. At the closing bell yesterday, the S&P ASX 200 was 0.1% or 9 points lower at 7,409. The best performing sector yesterday was materials. They were up 0.6%. And the worst performing sector was healthcare, down 1.2%. The best performing stock was Imugene. They closed their shares 7% higher at 38 cents. It was followed by shares in JB Hi-Fi and Liontown Resources. The worst performing stock in the S&P ASX 200 was PointsBet Holdings. Their shares closed 3.7% lower at $6.07. They were followed by shares in Virgin Money UK and Zipco. Moving on to some business news from this morning now, and Hub24 reported record second quarter platform net inflows of $3.6 billion, bringing the first half financial year 2022 net inflows to $6.7 billion. Hub24 is one of the fastest growing platforms in the market. It offers advisors and their clients a comprehensive range of investment options, including managed portfolio solutions and enhanced transaction and reporting functionality. Lynas Rare Earths saw production increase compared to the prior quarter, with record sales revenue achieved despite some ongoing challenges related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Logistics challenges did remain during the period. However, solutions were implemented to mitigate those challenges. So record sales revenue of $202.7 million was achieved, reflecting continued buoyancy of the market and strong customer demand for a sustainable supply source of rare earths. Cash received at $151 million was the second highest quarterly result recorded. And Megaport reports strong growth across all operating metrics over previous quarter, with 123 new customers added and an increase of 8% in total revenue growth in the quarter. Also during the quarter, the company launched the Partner Vantage portal, supporting indirect partners to resell Megaport services. And as at the 31st of December, 22 additional indirect channel partnership arrangements have been signed. Megaport is the global leading provider of elastic interconnection services. Well, on that note, it's time for a very short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
Where the property market is headed next.
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly.
Apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook report. Now, taking a close look on Wall Street, the Dow Jones ended down 1.51%. The S&P 500 was down 1.84% and the Nasdaq closed 2.6% lower. US stocks fell in overnight trade as Goldman Sachs' quarterly results missed expectations and surging bond yields hit the tech sector. Furthermore, traders braced for the Federal Reserve to be more aggressive in tightening monetary policy to help tackle inflation. The Fed is scheduled to have a policy meeting next week. MSCI's All-Country World Index fell 1.22% as tech stocks dropped in Asia overnight. And in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 1%. The FTSE dropped 0.6%, CAC dipped 0.9%, and the DAX ended 1% lower. Oil prices zoomed and hit 7-year highs. That was after an attack in the UAE caused regional tensions. Brent crude futures rose $1.03 to settle at $87.51 a barrel. WTI futures settled up $1.61 at $85.43 a barrel. Gold prices fell. That was after traders became jittery ahead of another meeting by the Fed next week. US gold futures settled down 0.2% at $1,812 an ounce. Meanwhile, the benchmark iron ore futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange ended up 1.1% at 715 yuan a tonne. That's recovering from losses in the earlier session. Well, that's all for our Morning Outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.